Well, my other building that I was building decided to collapse and some pieces broke, and it's laying all right here. But starting over, but this time start off with some tracks, or should I say the guide rails, and that's supposed to be the vertical post, but a little bit shorter, and that's one side of it. And got the second one right here. Right now I'm just trying to figure out my width, because the overall width is supposed to be like 10 inches, and I'm building this from scratch, no plans, building this as I go. So I am building the sawmill around the mill itself, and the log that I'll be using is right there, and that's a 3-inch, but my max that I want to cut on this is 8, around 7 to 8 inches in diameter. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm starting over again for the second time. But yeah. So that's the update on the sawmill, the model sawmill. So technically, I don't think it's going to be a 1/12 anymore. But we'll see how this goes. Talk to y'all soon.